who discovered the golden ratio in ancient times. Imagine a number so perfect that it appears in art, architecture, and nature, capturing our sense of beauty and harmony. This mysterious number is called the golden ratio. But who first found out about it? The story isn't just about one person, it's a long journey through history. The ancient Egyptians are believed to have used this ratio when building the Great Pyramid of Giza around 2580 to 2560 BC. They noticed that the slant height of the pyramid compared nicely to half of its base, which is very close to the golden ratio. They thought it was sacred and used it in temples and art because of its pleasing look. Later, in ancient Greece, the golden ratio became more than just a practical tool. Greek thinkers and mathematicians studied it carefully. Around the 5th century BC, the Pythagoreans, a group of philosophers, explored properties related to this special number. One of their members, Hippasus, is said to have discovered that the golden ratio cannot be written as a simple fraction, meaning it is irrational. This was a big discovery because it showed that the ratio has a unique mathematical nature. Then, around 300 BC, the famous mathematician Euclid wrote about the golden ratio in his book called Elements. He described it as dividing a line into two parts so that the whole length relates to the longer part in the same way as the longer part relates to the shorter part. This is called dividing a line into an extreme and mean ratio. The Greeks also used the golden ratio in their art and architecture. The Parthenon in Athens, built in the 5th century BC, is believed to have proportions that follow this ratio, making it look especially balanced and beautiful. The story of the golden ratio doesn't stop there. In the Middle Ages, a mathematician named Leonardo Fibonacci discovered a sequence of numbers now called the Fibonacci sequence. The interesting part is that the ratio of successive Fibonacci numbers gets closer and closer to the golden ratio as the numbers get bigger. This shows a deep connection between number sequences and this special proportion. So, the discovery of the golden ratio was a slow process. It started with ancient Egyptians noticing its beauty in architecture, then Greek mathematicians studying its properties and using it in their art. Later, the Fibonacci sequence revealed how this ratio appears naturally in number patterns. It's a story of many minds over many centuries recognizing something truly extraordinary in the world of numbers.